from Talisay, my hometown. Kunwari nag-shoot, gusto na yung tilaw. Cebuano the best.
Gastronomy tourism is emerging as an important protector of cultural heritage.
Look at this. This was given to me. Ano tawag dito? Tanghulo? Oh, tangkulos from Department of Tourism. Oh, di ba? Thank you very much.
Tell us about your dish and why did you choose to prepare this for this event?
I'm preparing pintos. It's also called binaki in some parts of the country. But this is very popular also in northern Cebu. And it's served with a chorizo bisaya. It is something that is very particularly Cebuano and Filipino, but also takes reference to its international influences. We are not ashamed of where we came from. We are not ashamed where we are. And we look very positively to the future of gastronomy in the Philippines. So people are already lining up at our station. The Secretary Frasco just passed and it has also passed her standard. She likes our dish today.
I had so much fun preparing for the Chef's Table event, working with the teams from Shangri-La, and working among some of the best chefs in the country. We got to feed over 300 people that night, proof that gastronomy and good food is really alive in the Philippines. I'm looking forward to more events like this in the future. Philippine tourism has really gone a long way. Congratulations to the Department of Tourism and the Province of Cebu for staging such a spectacular event.